Oh, hey guys, it's me, Arya. Arya, yeah, well, yes, Arya. I am here again to make a new video. It's Fishing Simulator. I skipped the first cutscenes, but you can see it. My friend's recording. Mr. Rodney's over here. Oh, hey there. It's always nice to see a new face around these parts. My name's Rodney, but people call me Rod. Get it? Cod and Rod! I'm guessing you're on an island to start your fishing career. Well, you're gonna need some help around these waters. I see you're empty-handed. You're gonna need this. Here. Here. This old thing was my first rod. It helped me catch thousands of fish.
Yeah.
Thank you. What do I do next? Well, you gotta prove your worth around this island. Ain't everyone got a natural gift of fishing? You're gonna have to show me that you got the skill. First thing I need you to do is catch 3 fish. These darn fish swim all around the island, so it ain't gonna be hard for you to do. Come back when you have these fishies, and we'll see where you're gonna go from here. Cool. Idiot. I'm just kidding. He's not an idiot. Can I be in first person? That would be... Oh, I finally can be in first person. This kind of looks like the fishing rod from, Cow Shake. Click.
It's so hard.
Oh, that's easy, bro. Fishing's easy. I just got a first fish. How is it that hard?
I keep on clicking it. Yes.
You have to keep it in the black line, bro. You have to keep the black line in the green area. Did you just fall in the water? You wouldn't just fell in the water. I got a common trout. Wow.
I died in water.
You wouldn't died in the water.
Ah.
This is easy.
Why are you saying Jump. I lost my first fish. I got my first fish back.
Uncommon copper band butterfly fish. Bye-bye. I hate you. Bye. Chest has been lost. Find it to claim his treasure. Wait, what? What? WT? What? Oh, a boat shop. Woo! What does this button do? Boat paint ghost. Paint boat. I said boat paint ghost. What? He said he has 3 fish, so I have 3 fish. Yeah, I know it was in your blood. Now you can... I accidentally threw the thing on his head. Now you have to have yourself some fish. You can sell them for coins. Pay your visit to the caster down by the docks. The man's always looking to buy any fish or valuable items you may have. Come back when you're done. Okay, I'm fishing.
I have 2 types of fish, and I have 2 in 1.
Cool, I have a trout. And I have
fish. I got fish.
You know what's funny? When I have
3 types of fish, I keep. How do I have 3 types of fish?
You're so dumb.
It never works.
Ahoy, I'm Caster. I see you're looking by a fish and other valuable items. Do you have anything I could buy? Bro, I just sold every... Thank you. Come back again. Bro, this guy is just so dumb. That's just the easiest thing. Rodney's home is right next to Caster. Well done, you're right. Myself back as a young boy, learning to fish the old way. Since I've been here for as long as I can remember, I know this island like the back of my hand. The main places you should keep sailing with is our Finn Supply. He sells all the tools you'll need for your adventures. There's also Deckard's boats, where you can buy yourself a boat. And at last, not least, one of the most important locations is your aquarium. Here you can show off your rarest discoveries and your adventures to other players. Well, that's enough I can tell you for now. That should be enough to get you started in your fishing journey. Good luck! Wow. visit my aquarium. Wow, I discovered a thing. Hey, what part are you on, Kaushik?
Going to the dock.
Why? Are you done with your I have to go to the aquarium.
Oh, I still have to sell my fish. Then I have to go back to him.
I accidentally broke myself.
Wait, broke yourself.
I accidentally killed. Oh, I killed. Oh, wow. Yeah, that's so cool. It's because I accidentally been in a first person when I arrived to the aquarium, so I couldn't get out. But now I can. I have to just run out of E. I'm entering my own.
I'm in someone's home.
How
Cool.
do I sell it to him?
I'm going to die.
I have nothing in my aquarium, and how do I even use it? Okay. Next
How
quest.
do I sell my fish?
Dun 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 dun.
What is Ewan doing?
And
He's just partying around the some place, and I don't even know where. Let me just meet. Oh, you're here. Oh, Ewan's here.
Can't sell anything.
Ewan, why did you come here? Oh, I'm sitting. Cool.
I have so many fishes, but why can't I sell anything?
Oh my God! No, get out of the room and follow me. I'm gonna.
Take me to where I have to sell.
Come on. Get outside the door. Meet me at Rodney's house.
Me at that door. I'm in this one's house.
You
And
can sell them to Derek.
No, it's here. This guy.
Oh.
Idiot. Okay, I'm actually streaming this video at like 8 o'clock at night, and I don't even know why I even doing this. Oh, matey, you look and sail the ocean? Well, you come to the right place. I'm Deckard, the owner of the store. I sell boats, ships, and anything else you need for your voyage. In fact, I might have a special gift for you. Here, take this. The ocean is a dangerous place. This will come in handy.
I got a fish now.
Thank you. No problem. Would you like to buy anything? Let me see. Let me see what he has. I have he has a rowboat, a speedboat, a fishing boat, a speedboat too, yacht, armored boat, kayak, a garden boat, golden sailboat, jet ski, airboat, land boat, super yacht, wait, what? A gingerbread boat, pirate ship, Viking houseboat. Oh my God, this guy has this. This guy is just, I can't even say. Thanks for shopping. What did you give me? I have a spear. Why do I need a spear?
I got a fish.
Hey, guess what? I got a spear.
Come
You mean no?
Come to me.
You can put the discoveries in the aquarium. Now what?
Yeah, if you meet Deckard, then he actually, what is it? When you meet Deckard, you know what? He gives you a free spear. Hi there. I don't think we've met before. I'm Finn, the owner of the store. I sell lots of fishing rods, upgrades, spears, backpacks, and other items that can help you on your journey. Since you're new around here, I can help you out. Here, take this. Thank you. You're welcome. Would you like to buy something? Yes. Let me see what he has. Hook speed. I can upgrade my hook speed. Reeling speed, strength, rarity chance. I don't need my rarity chance. Backpacks.
I got a fish now.
How about, I'm gonna buy that. I'm gonna buy that. I'm gonna buy that.
I'm in the beach. In the rainwater beach.
I'm gonna buy that. I'm just gonna spam it. Oh, I don't have enough money. LOL, I'm an idiot. Thanks for shopping. An epic ship has sunk. Sunky, little chunky. You get it? Sunky, little chunky.
Oh, I'm fishing. I'm fishing. Come
I
Wait.
upgraded
Come
everything.
to me. Come to me. I'm
You
jumping.
upgraded everything, same. Where can you buy different fishing rods?
Come on, come to
Okay,
me.
you
Come
you
to
just
me,
did
come to
different
me,
fishing rods
come
at
to
the
me,
store. Now
come
I'm
to
gonna
me.
reel in some fish.
What did you say?
Come to me. Come to me.
Never, nothing.
No, tell me. Can you tell me where the fishing rods are?
I don't know. I think they're near. I don't know. Oh yeah, I understand. You have to get gems, which will take a long time to get. You have to get gems, which will make you be able to get fishing rods. But it's gonna take a long time to get gems.
But how do you know?
Because I watched this game on YouTube.
Okay, you're doing there. But I'm on level 2. You're on level. I upgraded all of my stuff, all my strengths and stuff. Yeah, I see you on swimming in the ocean. He looks like a shark.
Done.
I keep on catching fish very easily.
I accidentally escaped. My fish escaped. I accidentally clicked it too long.
I am back and did you see me die?
I got a rare bluefin tuna. I'm putting this in my aquarium. And that's final. Caster, I'm not going to sell it to you. It's a small. I am eating this in the aquarium. That's final. Hey, can I visit owner mine? M-I-N-E mines. Edit.
I got a level up.
I just see one little trout.
Hi.
I found a butterfly fish.
What, did you just say the beaver or something?
Left one.
No, I found a butter. B-U-T-T-E-R.
Funny.
Where did you where did you find butter?
I found a butterfly fish.
Oh, I already had that, you idiot. I accidentally fell down.
In the water. I'm fishing.
It is so
I'm
much
fishing.
money.
I can see. Can you see me fishing? No, see me
I got
fishing.
so much money.
He's fishing. Me fishing.
How much
I
money do you
don't know.
have?
Oh my god. I accidentally fished too far. Now I can't see where my thing went. Oh, it's right here.
Push on it.
I have a really strong fish. Why did the common trout feel so heavy? The common trout felt so heavy.
I want a fish.
You haven't found guy's first fish. That's his first fish.
Round and round, I'd be on the bus. Round and round, all to the door.
What?
I'd be on the bus. Round and round, round and round. I'm keeping my fish. I'm be on the bus. Round and round, all to the door. I've been.
Whoa!
You're on level 3. I'm about to be on level 5.
Bro.
I'm over there level.
Oh man, I got a large common trout.
How are you still learning? I know you started this game faster than me. How am I already a novice fisher?
Bro, do you think I'm the one who took the most time trying to launch the recorder?
No, dude, you literally started playing the game before me. It took me to figure out where to sell.
I didn't even start. A bluefin tail? Oh man, you look